Back-to-back misses para kay George. Final 2 minutes na tayo din sa Paco Arena. Poyos. Goes to Pre. They're looking for Miles. They get it into Rap. Coronel gets stripped by Season Walker.
Good hands by Walker.
Season Walker lilipat. Chance by DJ. That doesn't matter.
Great finish there by Denzel Season Walker. Problema is cramping up right now.
That's the fourth on VJ Pre. Naman yung athleticism din talaga ng Season Walker.
Not taking charge, no? All the way for Denzel Season Walker. Coast to coast after coming up with a huge defensive play.
Gutsy performance para kay Season Walker. They got 22 points now.
Toughing it out here.
Free throw to make this a one-point ball game. Completes the three-point play. Letran trailing by just one.
A lot of pressure now on UP to execute in this possession.
Poyos to Pre. Hounded by Hugo. Malakas sa that attempt.
Great defense by Hugo, forcing VJ Pre into that difficult shot. That's a shot you can live with, no?
Chance to take the lead back para sa Knights. It's Diamante kontra Coronel. Able to escape. Kick out. Di Maano finds himself free for three. Malakas. Get his own miss. Layup on foot. Diamante able to keep it alive. Outside Muyuela. Get the three to fall. Rans Muyuela to give Letran a 2-point lead. 72-70.
The ball finding its way into the hands of the most unsuspecting players on the court.
3-point shot of the game brought to us by Pioneer Mighty Bond Instant Glue. Rans Muyuela showing up here para sa Knights. Only 54.2 seconds nalalapit dito sa ating ball game. Letran now up by 2, 72-70. After trailing by 7 kanina, a 9-0 run here, Coach F. Couple of three-pointers from Diamante and Muyuela.
Oh, Letran players refusing to fold under the pressure of this, well, at least until now, this offensive juggernaut that is the University of Philippines Fighting Maroons.
Started with that Diamante 3, that Season Walker and 1, and that Rans Muyuela. Would that be the separation that keeps the Knights in the driver's seat? Payosing off on the 3, Muyuela gets it to Diamante. They will reset.
Great defensive stop there by Letran.
Diamante rin, shadowed by Poyos. Now Miles with a switch. There's 4 seconds remaining. Nice drop to the ball. Blocked by Miles. Payosing looking ahead to Poyos. Foot race as Muyuela will be called for a foul.
What a block there by Rick Miles. Chance Di Maano was wide open underneath. So at the other end of the floor, that was Muyuela giving chase.
Season Walker back in the ball game. Big free throws para kay RV Poyos.
Great defensive play after great defensive play for both teams.
The 2-point guards stepping up here para sa Letran. Muyuelo with that big 3, and now Poyos with a free throw to tie us up at 72. 2 for 2 para kay RV. And similar to that earlier ball game, Coach Check. Deadlock once again. This time at 70.
Time out to good. Seconds to play. Tie score.
Just 19.2 seconds remaining in this ball game. RV Poyos with 2 big free throws to tie us up at 72 apiece. After that 9-0 run by Letran, gave them a 2-point advantage. They elect to inbound dito sa front court, Coach Chev. 14 to work with, 5.2 seconds shot clock, game clock difference. As Letran would like to talk it over once more. Babalik tayo after this timeout.
Seconds.
On to the last 19.2 seconds dito sa ating ball game. UP and Letran tied at 72. This time they elect to inbound from the full court, it appears.